Hey, crafty friends, it's Andrea from Prairie Sky DIY, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Manitoba, Canada. Welcome to 5-Minute Merry Minks. I've got quick and easy projects that will help bring you some holiday handmade magic, but of course you can always customize to any season, any occasion, and really anybody. So I've got a rectangle of paper here that I have marked the center horizontally, and I've also found the center point vertically. And what you're going to do on both ends is go from the center to the outside, and then we're going to just do that on this side as well. I've also got for my email list a project sheet that's going to have all of the measurements for the videos that I'm doing this week, as well as 5 additional projects. So if you would like in on that, the link to register is below. So feel free to click on that, and the email with the PDF templates and videos will be delivered to you. All right, so now we're just going to go ahead and burnish the score lines. I don't think I've told you what we're making. This is a super fast, super easy, super customizable wedge box. You can make it any size that you need to, as long as you can find the horizontal and vertical center points. You're good to go. I have made them teeny tiny and quite large. As long as it's a rectangle, you're golden. So after we've got our edges folded here, we're simply going to bring them together, and your wedge box is basically finished. Now there is, point's not quite sharp. There's a few different ways that you can seal it. You can take a hole punch, and I like to do it when it's closed to make sure that everything is lined up where it needs to be, and do one punch and then tie a ribbon through. But I also like to use these little clips that I got from the dollar store. It makes it a little bit more usable, a little bit more reusable and user-friendly, because you're not going to tear the holes on the paper. And you can fit just about anything in here. Chocolate bar, gift card, little candies, jewelry. You can probably fit a pair of the little dollar store mittens or socks in here as well. Super easy, super cute, super fun. But now we're going to do a little tag to go with it. This is the Turtle Designer Series paper, which I liked this pattern because of the greens. But now we're just going to go ahead and jump in and grab a piece of our basic white and a punch. And I think we're going to use this little scrap here that I've got. I'm going to do roughly half. Let's see. So if you're not doing the entire piece, I would just give it a gentle half punch so that it's not going to go anywhere. Punch it out. And then grab your Stampin' Seal, which I still have packed up from a class, so it's fine. I'm just going to use glue dots instead then. So this is the way I like to use the glue dots to make sure that my fingers don't stick everywhere, is just press your paper onto the glue dot. Oops. And then lift it up. 4 will be plenty for this because it's not a super crazy amount of paper, and it's a tag. It's not really going to go anywhere. So we'll do right across, and then you can stamp to from. You can just handwrite your note vertically, horizontally, whatever way you want to. And then I would just add a little bit of a glue dot. Oops. There we go. That one was really sticky. To stick it onto the package. If you wanted to, I'd probably do a couple. If you wanted to use this and just make a bunch of tags in advance as well, you could just use tear tape and place it across. Sorry, I just had to reach for it. It was over there by the window. And then just place it across and then just leave it so that when you're ready, pull off the glue dot actually. When you're ready to place your tag onto your gift, all you have to do is take the tear tape off and then stick it down. So that's day one. All of the measurements are over in the PDF. Don't forget to sign up for the email so you get the extra bonus content as well. If you're already on my email, you will automatically get it. I will see you tomorrow for our next project. Have a great day.